Do you think that this is going to be something that just becomes a more common tool for businesses?
Definitely. I think there were a lot of interesting questions that were in that. First, I just think at Ramp we have a fairly vested interest in trying to understand how are people moving money, storing money, and a lot of our goal is helping people get more out of every dollar. Can a dollar feel like $1.05 to a customer through technologies? Is a lot of the driving focus for us. We were seeing it even in our customer base. Of course, there's many traditional companies, but we serve whether it's large crypto companies in their general operations, crypto exchanges, in their corporate spending. And so we felt like, look, it's as more and more companies are not just spending in fiat currency, but in cryptocurrency, we can't not learn about this and also have this firsthand experience. Part of our focus early on was just how do we start to get exposure and also take things really seriously as a business and get into it. I think even the act and exercise of learning about it has been great, and not just producing yield, but even in making sure that the company is well positioned to learn about it. I think it's fascinating in that, like, look, in many ways, at least for me, I'm curious if you think about it too, Jeremy, but it feels in many ways like early internet, where all the direct applications of how things are going to be used are going to take years to figure out, but it's clear there's something there. I think that for many companies, if you think that future operations may intersect with the crypto Web3 worlds, actually holding some on your balance sheet, you think about it more, you learn more about it and follow along. And I think that just from creating a value for a business in the future, it actually can be quite high.